Use English at the ATM like a native.
I stand in front of the ATM. I stand in front of the ATM.
I insert my card.
I insert my card. I choose English. I choose English. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. I check my balance. I check my balance. I choose an amount. I choose an amount. I select withdrawal. I select withdrawal. I take the money. I take the money. I wait for the machine. I wait for the machine. I count the money. I count the money.
If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I put the money in my wallet. I put the money in my wallet. I choose another transaction. I choose another transaction. I select deposit. I select deposit. I insert the cash into the ATM. I insert the cash into the ATM. I confirm the amount. I confirm the amount. I have more money in my account now. I have more money in my account now. I take my card back. I take my card back. I put my card in my bag. I put my card in my bag. I leave the ATM. I leave the ATM.
If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments.